Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into the details and find out. Let's start with the price. The COWSAR Ice Maker is priced at $89, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking for an efficient ice maker. On the other hand, the Countertop Ice Maker comes in at $99. While the price difference is minimal, it may influence your decision depending on your budget. Next, let's look at the design. The COWSAR Ice Maker boasts a compact and portable design, perfect for home use or camping. In contrast, the Countertop Ice Maker features a stylish design with a transparent lid, allowing you to see the ice production process. Both designs are user-friendly, but the aesthetic appeal of the Countertop Ice Maker may attract some buyers. Finally, we have noise levels. The COWSAR Ice Maker operates at a noise level of less than 42 decibels, making it a quieter option for home use. Meanwhile, the Countertop Ice Maker has a noise level of less than 45 decibels, which some users have found to be noticeable. If a quiet appliance is a priority for you, the COWSAR may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Countertop Ice Maker offer excellent performance and features. The COWSAR is a more budget-friendly option, while the Countertop model provides a stylish design and slightly better customer service. Consider your priorities and choose the one that fits your needs best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.